Good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn and Fun with Swastik. Today it is a very fun video because I'm gonna unbox my gift that I got in my birthday. It is a Phantom high-speed racing car. Look how cool it is. And the color of the car is green and black and yellow. Now let's continue the video. Let's unbox the gift now. Wow! Look at this cool and crazy car. Look how cool it is. This is the remote. Now let's open the car. Let me open it. Wow! Look at this car. Look, it's green. Now let's put on the batteries. But first, let me tell you the colors. The colors is green, black and yellow. Look how cool it looks. It is also so speed. We need a tool and we need 6 batteries to on. Now let's drive the car. This is the tool we need to put the batteries in. Look. Let's drive it now. Look how cool it goes. That's cool. That is cool and cool. Look how speed it goes. Isn't it cool? Wasn't it cool how speed the Phantom high racing car was? And it's also so speed. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share. And today is my dad's birthday.